Thanks for joining us. Our own Kate Lockwell is reporting live from the refugee ship Skinnerd 2 in orbit around the planet Meinhof.
Donnie, the death toll out here is soaring. Massive refugee fleets like this one are struggling to reach the safety of the core worlds. Many of them won't. They're short on food, water, and hope.
We'll discuss how the Dominion will rescue those worlds when we get there.
There's a lot of talk about rescue among the refugees, but they're pinning their hopes on paramilitary and rebel groups such as Rainer's...
Great report, Kate. Live from a refugee ship over Meinhof, where everyone eagerly awaits the Dominion's return. Up next, a Vermilion commentary. Refugees. Are they really our responsibility?
You're all heart, Donnie. Well, Ariel, found a world for your people yet?
Yes, an unclaimed planet called Haven. It's near the edge of Protoss space, but it seems safe enough.
It'll have to do. Your people need to lay low for a while.
Aren't either of you worried the colonists might be infested?
How could you even suggest that? They're perfectly healthy.
I hope so, Ariel. The Protoss don't mess around when it comes to infestation. Just in case, maybe you should start looking into some kind of cure for the Zerg virus.
Conventional wisdom says a cure is impossible. The virus mutates too fast. But I'll look into it.
Just do what you can. That's all anyone's asking.
Kerrigan's learning some new tricks. The infestation on Meinhof seemed particularly virulent.
It's about the worst thing I can imagine. Losing who you are like that, all the while being slowly twisted into a damn monster.
If any of Dr. Hansen's people on Haven are infested...
I know. It's just a matter of time before the Protoss come looking for him. Still, I have a history with the Protoss. If it comes to that, maybe I can talk them down.
I'm working on a cure for the Zerg virus. I just hope my people won't need it.
Never thought we'd be back on Meinhof again. Oh, we broke our backs trying to make a life on that rock. Kelmorians squeezing us dry. The day we rose up, we just couldn't take it anymore, you know?
I feel you. Man's got a duty to stand up and be counted sometimes.
Oh, hell, we were stupid. Having right on your side ain't no match for Goss guns and combat walkers. A lot of folks died for nothing. If you hadn't shown up when you did...
Hey, your people bought their own freedom. Paid for it in blood. Me and Matt, we were just glad to help.
I hear the mighty Jimraina's on the move, but short on funds. The planet Redstone's got the most valuable minerals around, and with the Zerg invasion, the Kelmorians backed up and left it all behind. Some enterprising men could turn a big profit there. Meet me at Redstone if you want a piece of the action.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Redstone. Heck of a place. I ever mention how much I hate volcanic planets?
Good to see you made it. They call me Taj. You help me mine the minerals I need, and I'll make it worth your while.
What's the catch?
Well, this place is a little unstable. The low ground gets flooded with lava every few minutes. Of course, that's where the richest mineral nodes are found. But that'll be no problem for a big, tough guy like you.
Sir, I'm also picking up Zerg biosignatures on the surface. We'll need to spend some of what we mine just to defend the operation. The more we spend, the longer this is gonna take.
Lava and Zerg. Two of my favorite things. Let's do this.
Go ahead. Armed and ready. Gangway, coming through. Will do. SCV ready. Big job, huh?
Add-on complete.
Roger that.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Lava's rising. Get those SCVs to high ground, right now.
Scared me. Yo. SCV ready. What's going on? By the numbers, boys. SCV ready. Huh? Bad news?
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This counter shows the estimated time until the next lava surge. Move all units and structures to high ground when a surge is imminent.
In the rear with the gear.
Not enough minerals.
It's your dime. Huh? Gotcha.
I got some friends coming to help you out. Reapers.
Reapers, you say? Hell, cowboy, we gotta train more of these guys. They're seriously badass. You're the Reaper, man. What? You want something? Let's do this. Nothing I can't handle. Ah! Scare me! Will do. I'm listening. Agreed. Certainly. I'm going. Done. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. All right. On the way.
Some of my boys disappeared in this area. Wanna see if they're still alive.
Tosh sent you to help? About time. Let's finish up this contract and get the hell off this planet. Got something for me to kill? Good, I need you far enough. Gas from above. Let's do this. Oh yeah, baby. Let's do this. Done. Nothing I can't handle.
Mineral field depleted.
Bad news? Yes, sir. Big job, huh? Yo. Huh? We hear you. I'm listening.
Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position. Brutalisk, I think. If you could kill it, that'd get our research off to a flying start.
I'm going. On the way. All right. That's all? Certainly. Agreed. I'm going. What's going on? Well...
Base is under attack.
Yes, indeed. Bad news?
Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. In the rear with the gear. Got something for me to kill. Agreed.
Mineral field depleted.
SCV ready. What's it worth? I'm going. Go ahead.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Got something for me to kill. Bad news? We hear you. Death from above. Big job.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Fair enough. Done. SCV ready. SCV ready. Yeah, baby. I'm going. Certainly. Nothing I can't handle. SCV ready. On the way. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Just a reminder, sir. The more minerals we expend on forces, the longer it's going to take to reach our goal. Try to be economical.
Ah! In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Yo. SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Done. All right. SCV ready. You're the Reaper man. I'm going. The Grim Reaper has arrived. That's all? Certainly. Yes, indeed.
Mineral field depleted.
On the way. Let's do this. Nothing I can't handle. Agreed. That's all?
Upgrade complete.
Since you're doing right by me, I'll do right by you. Here's the coordinates of the nearest mineral nodes.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Got something for me to kill. What's it worth? Done. On the way. Done. Fair enough. I'm listening.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Indeed. On the way. Fair enough. Certainly. Let's do this. Agreed. I'm going. Oh, yeah, baby. Yes, indeed. Certainly. Fair enough.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Agreed.
Your men work fast. We've already got half the minerals we need.
I'm listening. Got something for me to kill.
Base is under attack.
Where? What's going on? Sure thing.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Will do.
Mineral field depleted.
Yeah, whatever. In the rear with the gear. Yeah. What's it worth? Let's do this.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised. Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Bad news?
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
Good job, huh? What's going on? The Grim Reaper has arrived. In the rear with the gear. What? You want something? Let's do this.
Base is under attack.
All right. Fair enough. I'm going. Nothing I can't handle. Let's do this. Oh, that's all. Yeah, from above. The Grim Reaper has arrived. I'm listening. Done. Certainly. Oh yeah, baby. On the way. Let's do this. Yes, indeed. I'm going. Yeah, I'll go. Fear the Reaper, man.
Mineral field depleted. Add-on complete.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. What's it worth? Fear the Reaper, man.
Mineral field depleted.
Huh? Move it! In the rear with the gear. Who wants some? The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Mineral field depleted.
Go! By the numbers, boys.
Mineral field depleted.
Ah! You scared me! Yes, sir! The Grim Reaper has arrived. This better be good. SCV ready.
Mineral field depleted.
I scanned for mineral outcrops before we landed. Sending more data to you now.
SCV ready. Gangway coming through.
Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. SCV ready.
Base is under attack. Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised. Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
This better be good.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
Go! What's going on? Big jump.
Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. SCV ready. Go ahead. Yeah. Yo.
Base is under attack.
You gonna give me orders? SCV ready. We could use some help here. This better be good. I feel you.
Add-on complete. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Armed and ready. Could use some help here. Sure thing. Gangway. That's fine. Gangway, coming through. Why not? Roger that. Will do. Sure. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Almost done, Mr. Rena. Just a few more minerals to go.
Big job.
Doing well there, Mr. Rena. We got traces of more minerals over on the other side of the canyon.
Outstanding. I feel you.
Mineral field depleted.
Huh? We're screwed.
That's fine.
This better be good. Looking forward to it. Of course. Why not?
All right, boys, nice work. We got what we came for. Now let's get out of this hellhole.
Finished already. Not as good as they say, Mr. Rena. I'm thinking you and I got a lot